Let's take a look at matching some equations with their graphs. The first graph we have is this parabola shape. I know that that's f of x equals x squared. In this case, it's letter D here, so I'll cross that one off and make a note that this is equation D. This next one I know is an absolute value function. That's that V shape. Our absolute value function is C. So I'll cross that one off and put a C here. This one you might be wondering what this one is, but notice 45 and 46 are very similar to each other. This is a square root function, and then this is taking the square root function and reflecting it over the x-axis. So the sign changes on everything. The y-coordinates become negative. So square root function is h, and the negative square root function is j. So square root function would be h here, and the negative square root function would be j. Here we have an equation of a line with a negative slope. So -1 would be our slope. So question 48 is b. So this is b. And then over here I see the slope is +1. So this one's a. Here is our parabola that's turned upside down, so this one's e, y equals -x squared, or e of x here equals -x squared. So I'm left with cubes and cube roots. I know if we have 2 cubed, we have 8, and I can see at this point looks like it would be going through the point 2, 8. So this is equation f, x cubed, our cube function. If we have a -x cubed, that takes all the positive y-coordinates and makes them negative, and the negative y-coordinates and makes them positive. So this right here would be equation g. And then we have the cube root function. The cube root function is this function here. So this is k. And what we have left over here is L, the negative cube root function. So taking all the positive y values and making them negative, taking the negative y values and making them positive gives us the negative cube root of x function over here. So that's how we match those graphs and their equations.